The date function will allow you to specify a date by entering numbers in for the year, month, and day that you're after. The date function will return a date based on numbers that you've entered for the year, the month, and the day of the date that you're after. So, for example, we could get 1st of January 2020. We would just do equals date, the year, 2020. The month, January, first month. The day, the first day. And that will produce the date that we're after. The date function can be really useful when you want a date to be dynamic and depend on values that are in other cells. An example of this is, let's say, if we started with this original date of the 1st of January 2030. Let's say we wanted to get a date for another cell that's exactly 1 year after that. Here's a useful way to do that, and it uses 3 new functions that'll relate to a date. We've got the year function, we've got the month function, and we've got the day function.